Welcome to another Mathnificent conversation featuring simplifying radical expressions. It's your nerdy bestie Lex. Grab your pencils and let's go. When we simplify radical expressions, it requires a prime factorization. So if you haven't watched the prime factorization video, check it out first. If you're comfortable with prime factorizations, then you're okay. So we're going to write the prime factorization of the number. We're going to circle up any number that appears twice, which is what I mean by circle twins. And then a set of twins comes out as a single number. So let's get started. Today's conversation is focused only on square roots. I'll do an additional video on cube roots and larger roots. Remember, a square root is a root where the root is 2 or there's nothing in the root. So we want to simplify the square root of 56. 56 is not a perfect square, so we can only simplify it. The square root of 56 would be a decimal. So our first step is do the prime factorization of 56. We can start with any factor pair. I'm going to start with 7 times 8. 7 is prime, so that branch is done. 8 is 2 times 4. 2 is prime, so that branch is done. And 4 is 2 times 2. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to rewrite 56 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. And you'll see those are all my prime numbers from my factorization. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 is equivalent to 56. I'm going to circle any twins. I have twins that are 2s, and I know they are going to come on the outside as a single number. So it's going to be a 2. And then 2 times 7 will stay under my radical because they do not have a twin. So my final answer is 2 radical 14. Next, we're going to simplify the square root of 108. So to the side, we're going to do our prime factorization of 108. Remember, I can start with any factor pair. 108 is even, so I'm going to start with 2 times 54. 54 breaks into 2 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So that means 108 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now I'm going to look for any twins. I have a set of twins that are 2s and a set of twins that are 3s. These are going to both come out because they're twins. So on the outside, I'm going to have 2 times 3. And on the inside, I'm left with radical 3. So my final answer is 6 radical 3. Our next example, we're going to simplify the square root of 32. Let's start with our prime factorization. Remember, we can start with any factor pair. Let's start with 2 times 16. 2 is prime, that branch is done. 16 is 4 times 4. And 4 is 2 times 2. And 4 again is 2 times 2. So 32 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Twins that are 2s, twins that are 2s, those will both come out and be multiplied. See, on the outside, I have 2 times 2. And on the inside, I'm left with radical 2. So my final answer is 4 radical 2. Okay, our last example, we're going to simplify the square root of 360. Take 360 to the side. I'm going to start with 10 and 36. 10 breaks down into 5 times 2. 36 breaks into 6 times 6. And each of these 6's breaks up into 2 times 3. So 360 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. When you have a lot of numbers, make sure you count and make sure you got all your prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to look for my twins. I have a set of twins that are 2s, a set of twins that are 3s. So those are both going to come out and be multiplied. 2 times 3. And on the inside, I'm left with 2 times 5. So my final answer is 6 times radical 10. I hope this was helpful. Remember, you are magnificent and you are brilliant, and I hope to see you in the next video.